What's up, guys? I hope you're amazing. Okay, I'm a professional 3D animator. I studied 3D animation and film. So I want to teach you guys how to maneuver in the content creation space. Okay, so the topic today is how to make money with free tools without Adsense, Mkiddi Studios. So up to where I've reached, I'm not monetized, but I do know how to get income out of YouTube. So I want to teach you how you can get money out of YouTube. So thank you very much, and you're welcome. And if you find this helpful, you can share it with your friends and family. And so kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. I'm truly grateful for you for tuning into the channel, and thank you. Welcome back to Mkiddi Studios. If you're a creator in Kenya or anywhere in Africa trying to make money online without waiting for YouTube AdSense, let me show you how I'm doing it right now using free and simple tools like CapCut, Canva, and Filmora. And yes, I'm making real cash. The main point of me making this video is as a professional video editor, 3D animator, and a professional videographer. Here's how I'm breaking it down for someone who's trying to start. Canva is an amazing platform. CapCut is an amazing platform, and AI tools are just gorgeous. Are just the tools you need to upgrade your life, bruh. If you've not jumped into this, I know the pipeline, you may not understand the pipeline, but trust me, literally you have everything given to you, like wow, so just let me walk you through it. Thanks. So the tools I use to make money. So most people think you need thousands of subs to make money. It's true and it's not true. I'm currently at 500 subs, 515. Thank you very much for subscribing. And here's how I started making money without AdSense, using free and affordable tools I already use daily. So these tools help me create high quality content for my clients and my brand. And guess what? You can use my links in the description to get started. Some of them come with free tutorials or discount. And yes, when you sign up, I earn a small commission. So we both win. Here's how I look at it. You have this CapCut, Canva, and Adobe. And then you have AI tools like MidJourney. Like, these tools are so powerful. If you're in college campus, 18 years plus, this is the right time for you to make content online. Like, the time has never been riper. Never. Literally never. I have gone to school. I have studied for such a long time on my own also. So I will highly recommend, if you can study on yourself, by yourself, that's the key to success on online, because school only gives you 20%, and the YouTube mostly will give you the 80%. Okay, the 60%, then the 80, so the other 20% is maybe practical. So I'll just say, like, just try to hustle up on YouTube, manze. So thank you, kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. You're an amazing human individual. So let me be real. Affiliate marketing is not a scam, it's a strategy. If you believe in a tool and use it every day, why not get paid when someone else signs up? So on screen, okay, so you have CapCut, you have Canva. Yeah, so I believe what I'm plugging is the tools I use kinda daily, because I used to use I still use After Effects, Premiere Pro, CapCut. I'll list all the other softwares I use. So but what I've seen, CapCut is very, very, very powerful, very powerful. So, and Canva is very, very, very powerful. Okay, when you need some individual to tweak some individual elements, I'll show you how you really need now After Effects and then the whole Adobe suite. But either way, CapCut really comes through, so you don't really need to pay for anything right now. You're being given. Kitambo it was a hassle, but right now guys are just flying through, man. See, there's no even there's nobody to stop you here. You're just supposed to just put your best foot forward. Up is just you and success. So I'm plugging my own content creation company, Mkiddi Studios. That's the name of the YouTube channel. That's what we do. It's even in the bio. So if you want 3D works, if you want professional quality motion graphics for your company or for your business, I got you. There's what Canva can achieve is very amazing, but it needs with some little of I don't know if you see my work, and my work you need the you need your work to go swiftly, you know what I'm saying. You need a certain structure to your work, and know how to structure the work if you cannot do it for yourselves. I'm plugging how you can do it for yourselves. So if you cannot, I'm teaching you how you can, and I'm going to show you in the softwares. So if you can't, I'm your boy, Mkiddi Studios. So thank you. Kindly subscribe, and share my videos, and I'm truly thankful for your appreciation, and I appreciate your appreciation. But here's where the magic happens. While you're using these tools, you're also building skills, and once you're skilled, you can start charging for services like this. So my creative services that I offer. So I do YouTube intros, 3D YouTube intros, 10,000 to 50,000, depends on the client. Thumbnails, 1,500 to 5,000, depends on the company and the client. Video editing, you do 5,000 to 20,000 per video, depends on the client and the company. Full content packages for businesses and YouTubers, it depends on the client and the business and the YouTuber. Everything is tailor-made and bespoke for the client. So that's why I'm trying to advocate for communication. So everything you're watching now is made with these tools, and people actually pay me to do the same. Yeah, so I will kindly urge you, if you need content, the boy got you. Okay, I don't want to sound unprofessional. I can really help you in maneuvering the content space. This is my bread and butter. This is what I do. This is what I've studied for. There's some nitty-gritties in between the frames, from 0 to 1 minute. That's the I'll go deeper. There are frames, there are seconds, there are frames. Between every 3 frames you're supposed to do something. It's very, 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 very categorical. So kindly subscribe, share, follow. I truly appreciate you listening to me and giving me the time and space. Thank you for everything. So if you're watching this and you need a fire intro, clean editing, or help launching your channel, hit me up. DM me or Instagram me at Mkiddi Studios, or email me. The info is in my description. And if you're ready to start your own journey, use my affiliate links, start learning and start earning. Let's build something big, even with small numbers. Yeah. So I'm your guy. If you, I'll plug my information links and the descriptions, how you can reach me. Kindly DM, kindly just let's talk. But what I'll say in this process, so many people are not patient to build something solid. That's what I've noticed. So many people don't want to even listen to even like how to do some. You can see some mistakes in some people's companies, but once you tell them, people are so defensive. They don't know how to come down from their pedestal, like, and you're trying to give them like real advice. So I find the people the marketing people who listen and who give an ear tend to kind of really go far, but but the guys who tend to hold the budget kind of, and you're not after titles. I want to give you a good job so that you can excel and I excel. So if we meet from that point of perspective, I think everybody can grow. So kindly like, subscribe, share, follow, and I truly appreciate you, and I hope you will DM and email and contact me. I'll plug you my website so that we can work together. So thank you very much. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative hustle tips, real stories from the Kenyan digital space, and tools that make money move. This is Mkiddi Studios, and we turn creativity into cash. God bless. Stay creative, stay winning. Peace. So manze, I truly appreciate you being here. Kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. It goes a long way to help the channel. Thank you for kuniweka mbele, kuniweka to 500 like subscribers. Woo.